For us, take an equal amount of shots.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, fast food, gunting breakfast.
Okay, they're really gonna stand here at bikini shopping. We got swimming to have. This place looks dope, though. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
I don't like cameras.
I don't like cameras.
I'm shy.
No, you're not.
Right? I am. I'm so
I
shy.
see yourself before you're not.
It's like the only thing I'm good at. I need butter. The whole time you're trying to like take
Is there beds available?
yeah, we have minimum spend for the double day bed. How many persons, sir?
Can I see where it is?
Oh yeah, you can see after you want it.
So we just walked past the lobby and the gift shop, and the first set of beds you can rent. It's like the quiet area when you first get into the club. And then as we walk further, we're gonna see the larger ones on the pool. A little bit more expensive. It's close to the DJ booth, close to the beach. You can see the better sunset from there. It's a little bit louder, so if you don't mind the noise, then this makes more sense. I'm gonna let you watch the video in a second, but just to give you a quick overview of it. It has 4 pools, 9 bars, about 2 swim-up pool bars, 5 restaurants, and there's a DJ there all the time from open till close. And I'll just stop talking now and let you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This one on that one? Oh, that's sick. This place looks sick though. Fuck. Like cabana times 100. Take a nap. We haven't slept in like days. You guys, why are you complaining? That's an hour more than us. Wow, look at this girl behind.
How do you want me to say it? No, I'm like.
Yes, that's better. $10? How the fuck you come back alive? We got double size? Where though? It looks sick though. Are you joining? No. The video is still going. Yo, it looks so dope at night.
When did that even happen? I was really fucking out.
You're way too sober right now for us taking equal amount of shots.